Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something that has genuinely changed the way I approach affiliate marketing. You know that feeling when you're trying so hard to stand out in a crowded space, but it feels like you're just blending into the background? That was me not too long ago. I was spending way too much money on tools, chasing after complicated strategies, and seeing very little return on my efforts. Then I stumbled upon G-Doc-Profits, and honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect. But after giving it a try, I was blown away, and I'm here to tell you why. First off, let's talk about what G-Doc-Profits actually is. At its core, it's a system that turns something as simple as Google Docs into a powerful tool for affiliate marketing. The idea is so straightforward that I couldn't help but think, why didn't I think of this before, instead of using expensive page builders or overly complicated software? You create bridge pages and pre-sell your affiliate offers using a free tool you probably already know how to use. The system isn't just about using Google Docs, it's about using it effectively. The tutorials that come with G-Doc-Profits walk you through every step, from setting up a professional-looking document to integrating AI tools that help you craft copy that actually converts. This was one of the standout features for me. The AI tools they recommend made it incredibly easy to create headlines and messaging that grabbed attention. As someone who isn't naturally gifted at writing sales copy, this was a game changer. Another thing that impressed me was the bonus strategy they teach. Before this, I never really understood how much value well-thought-out bonuses could add to an offer. With G-Doc-Profits, I learned how to stack bonuses in a way that made my offers irresistible. It wasn't just about throwing in freebies, it was about enhancing the overall value of what I was promoting. What really sets this system apart, though, is how practical it is for driving traffic. If you've ever struggled with getting the right eyes on your offers, the traffic strategies included here are a lifesaver. They focus on free, targeted methods that don't require a big budget or advanced tech skills. Within 2 weeks of using these techniques, I started noticing a significant increase in clicks and conversions. One of the best parts? There's no need for expensive tools. I can't tell you how much money I've spent in the past on page builders and software subscriptions that promised the world but delivered very little. With G-Doc-Profits, all I needed was Google Docs, which is completely free, and the results were just as good, if not better, than some of the pricier alternatives I've tried. Now, I know some of you might be thinking this sounds too good to be true. Trust me, I had the same thought at first. But what makes this system work is its simplicity. It doesn't overcomplicate things or try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it takes tools and strategies that are already available and shows you how to use them in a way that actually delivers results. If you're wondering whether this is right for you, let me say this. G-Doc-Profits is perfect for anyone who wants to simplify their affiliate marketing efforts. Whether you're just starting out and struggling to get noticed, or you're an experienced marketer looking to cut costs and streamline your process, there's a lot of value here. Personally, what I love most about this system is how accessible it is. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a huge budget to make it work. If you're willing to put in the effort and follow the steps, you can absolutely see results. It's helped me transform the way I approach affiliate marketing, and I genuinely believe it can do the same for you. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you've tried G-Doc-Profits or are thinking about giving it a shot, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a little help in their affiliate marketing journey. See you in the next one.